Here's an astonishing subconscious mind hack that will help you manifest what you desire quicker, easier, faster. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, the mind is an incredible thing. It's absolutely amazing. And between the ages of 0 and 5, the mind is operating at a genius level. It learns, I mean like that. It's incredible how fast the mind learns. And, you know, science has discovered through countless studies at major universities all over the world that the human mind does not lose its neuroplasticity even as we get older. All the way through our adult life, your mind remains fluid and plastic. In other words, it has the ability to learn how to be successful. High flyers, the mind is an incredible tool, and it will adjust quickly to various surroundings and circumstances. That's a tremendous advantage when you know how to use it. Think about this. A Major League Baseball team wanted to figure out how to get an opponent to strike out, to fail more often at bat. You see, every time that opponent went up to bat, boom, he hit the ball. So they did countless hours of study, and they came up with a plan. And that night, they executed the plan, and the opponent failed 5 times. 5 times he went up to bat and either struck out or grounded out. He failed 5 times. The plan worked. And so they said, well, let's just stick with the plan. It's working. We know how to defeat this guy. The next night, they used the exact same plan, and he hit the ball 5 times. He got 5 base hits. In other words, he succeeded the second night. Why did this happen? Because his mind adjusted to the situation. It's neuroplasticity. And your mind can adjust too. Just because you think this is the way it always works doesn't mean it has to work that way in the future. High flyers, life is a journey. That's really what life is. And it's about keeping away the stuff that we don't want in our life, the energy that we don't want in our life, and bringing the situations and things and people that we do want into our life. That's what life is really about. It's a journey of protecting yourself against those things you don't want and bringing in the energy, the people, and the opportunities of the things that you do want. So I want you to think a little bit more about this neuroplasticity. All inventions, all creations are really the result of solving a problem. There's a problem. We need to solve it. We concentrate on the problem and we come up with a solution. That's the power of neuroplasticity. That's the power of your brain. You are on an incredible journey. You have incredible powers, and the universe and your subconscious mind are here to ensure that you manifest the life that you truly crave and desire. You know, the challenge is reframing situations that we don't like. A situation comes up and we go, oh, I don't like that. I can't do that. That's not going to work out for me. And we have this kind of wall. And even if our conscious mind changes its belief, the subconscious mind hangs on to the old belief because the old belief was designed to protect you and defend you and keep you alive. And that's what happens. The subconscious mind is hanging on to old, outdated data, old, outdated beliefs. So high flyers, do you remember when we were talking about solving problems? That the mind has the ability to solve problems by asking questions, looking at a problem, and then developing a solution to the problem. And that's really one of the keys to taking your life to the next level. Understanding that you have limitations because your subconscious mind has developed beliefs that are no longer pertinent or useful to you today. Now, here is a simple, easy hack that will help you use your subconscious mind to begin manifesting anything you desire. So think about this. You decide, we'll use an example. You decide that you want to learn how to be a public speaker, and you're absolutely nervous about it. But you talk to some people, you talk to some coaches, and they convince you that, oh, this is easy. There's nothing to it. There's nothing going to hurt you. It's a pleasant experience. And so on a conscious level, you believe, okay, I can do this. And then you go up onto the stage and you look at the audience and you turn white as a ghost and you're frozen and you go, Guess what's happening? Your subconscious mind is protecting you. It's still running the old program. You see, you can make changes on a conscious level, but unless you solve the problem, remember we were talking about problem solving, unless you solve the problem on a subconscious level, you will continue to manifest what you've been manifesting because that's your belief system. Your subconscious mind is protecting you. It's keeping you safe, but it's also hurting you from manifesting what you truly desire. So what if you had a conversation with your subconscious mind and you said, what if I enjoyed public speaking? What if public speaking allowed me to make more money? What if this extra amount of money allowed me to buy a bigger home? What if this extra amount of money and this newfound power allowed me to take more vacations, to be more in control of my life? Well, my blood pressure would go down. I'd be healthier. I would be happier. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm talking to my subconscious mind. I'm having a conversation. Now, I usually do this as I'm falling asleep. What if? Most of us spend our life using the words what if in a very negative way. But what I'm encouraging you to do is use the words what if in a positive way. What if this happens? What if that happens? What if this takes place? And you talk directly to your subconscious mind, almost as if it were a different person. And you have a conversation night after night as you're falling asleep or before meditation time. Your subconscious mind then says, wait a minute. My job is to protect him. My job is to make sure he's happy. I need to change my beliefs. My old beliefs aren't working anymore. The new beliefs that he's been talking about, well, they're going to help us make more money and take more vacations and have a bigger home and a newer car, I'm in. And that's what the subconscious mind starts to do. But there's even one more thing that you need to do. So after you've had this conversation with your subconscious mind, now you're going to do an incantation. An incantation is a direct command to your subconscious mind. I call upon my subconscious mind to see the incredible opportunities in learning how to be a successful public speaker, to aid me in relaxation when I'm public speaking, to help me feel confident and powerful and personable. I've written up a simple incantation, a direct command to my subconscious mind based on the conversation I had with my subconscious mind. And it works. And I use these incantations throughout the day. I'm talking to my subconscious mind. Because look, if you look at an iceberg, remember the Titanic? Well, the Titanic sunk because it thought the iceberg was only this big, when it was truly this big. It was huge. Most of the iceberg is under the water. Most of your thinking process is in your subconscious mind. So by talking to your subconscious mind, when you're relaxed, in a meditative state, what if? What if this happens? What if that happens? What if this happens? Isn't this going to be great? And then direct, I invoke the power of my subconscious mind. Incantations. Now, you can use this for your relationships. You can use this for your business. You can use this for your sales career. Literally anything. But here's the caveat. You must be absolutely clear and honest with yourself about what your limitations are, what your fears and doubts really are. And then you must be dedicated to changing them on a conscious level and a subconscious level. Oh, you're going to fly high. You're going to do wonderful things when your subconscious mind and your conscious mind are working in alignment. Thank you so much. Be sure and subscribe, and always click the bell icon, okay? Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.